After committing our banking model, we would love to go to the next step, which is creating our hub groups. How can we create these hub groups? Next to the Create Concept button, there is a Manage Concept as Hubs button. If you click this, a new window will open up where we need to do separate steps. First step is to select the data vault. This is a data vault you have created inside of your VaultSpeed app, and you can select it right here. For us, we will go with the data vault of banking on the Snowflake. We will select the release. For us, it's very easy because we only have one release inside of this data vault. If you click this and we go next, we go to the third step where the real magic happens. Here we can create our hub groups. As you can see, we can see all our concepts, account, card, customers and statements. We want to create a hub group for customers. All we need to do is click on the customers field and it will create a hub group. Now, if I close this and we go to the data vault step, we open the data vault of banking, we go inside of the first version. As we can see in the hub grouping, we have created a hub customers